नमस्ते, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, विच इज़ द डिज़ायर, द पर्पस ऑफ एवरीबडी। आई थिंक उसके बिना कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। तो एनी गेसेस? नो। ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ relationship with not your partners, not your soulmates, not your relatives, but relationship with money. Yeah, you heard it right, money. So every relationship has 6 pillars on which it sustains, and it is very important that all 6 pillars should be maintained in a good manner, नहीं तो relationship collapse हो जाती है। So आज हम बात करेंगे मनी के साथ में रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करने की। So how do we go about it? Just simple steps, 6 pillars, 6 topics. Let's go through them quickly. So first, very important pillar of money is forgiveness. Forgiveness, why? Let me take some currency and just tell you. Forgiveness इसलिए क्योंकि हम मनी को कैसे भी यूज़ करते हैं. We have some inhibitions about money, some prejudices about money. कुछ हमारे को ऐसे फीडबैक्स मिले हैं जो हमारे माइंड को कंडीशन कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ नॉट हेल्पिंग अस अट्रैक्ट मनी. सो लेट्स डू फॉरगिवनेस टुडे टू अट्रैक्ट गुड मनी एंड to get more and more what you desire for. Okay, so very simple exercise, just 4 sentences you have to chant. Keep your money in your left hand, cover it with right hand and chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you and I thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you and I thank you. Do it from your heart center. Let your heart open up like a blooming flower and feel the energy going through. You will feel so much of vibrations that you really feel attached to money. So do this for 28 times in one go, and then you have forgiven for all the perceptions, all the whatever theories you had about money. So the first pillar is taken care of. Next is gratitude. Gratitude is also very important. Very important. कोई किसी के लिए कुछ करता है तो हम thank you बोलते हैं. For whatever reason we keep on thanking our relatives, our friends, our neighbors, our partners. But have you ever thanked money? No. So let's do it today. So gratitude is the second most very important pillar of your relationship with money. So just simply say, I am so thankful for having you in my life, and whatever things you are buying, you are paying, just pay it. Close your eyes for a moment, for a second or two, and say thank you for being in my life, and please do come back again. Just people in different areas or different regions, different countries across the globe mention it in different manner, but please do it in whatever resonates with you. I just simply say thank you for being in my life, and please do come back to me because I love you. So this is the way you maintain your second pillar of gratitude. Third very important pillar of your relationship with money is communication. I think communication is the basis of any relationship. आप अपने फ्रेंड को भी फ़ोन लगा के बात कर लेते हो, मैं भी वही करती हूँ. फ्रेंड्स का फ़ोन नहीं आता तो क्या करते हैं, उठाते हैं, नंबर लगाते हैं, बात करते हैं. बट क्या आपने कभी पैसों से बात की है? नहीं की. चलो आज करते हैं. जस्ट कीप योर मनी इन योर हैंड एंड टॉक. जो भी आपके दिल की बातें हैं, आप हैं मेरे साथ. आई एम सो थैंकफुल कि आप यू आर देयर विथ मी. आई लव टू बी अराउंड यू एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्टे विथ मी. Just talk whatever you would like to talk to it, like you talk to your friend, to your partner, to your lover, whatever you are comfortable with. No hard and fast rules in that. Okay? So this was the third important pillar. The fourth important pillar is very imperative in any relationship. So mind you, you have to keep it very strong. Trust. Trust is very important because you have to trust that whatever money is coming to you will come back if you spend it with a good appreciation, with gratitude, and you keep it with you with all the love. So trust it that it's going to come back. Trust it with your whole heart that it's going to stay with you. Now moving to the next pillar is respect. So how do you respect your money? We often, whenever we get back the change, we often try to crush it, crumble it, and just stuff it anywhere in any pockets. So I don't recommend that. I say respect your money because everybody in this universe needs respect. I need, you need, everyone needs. So keep your money properly, stacked in a position where the head is facing downwards. I'm sure you can see. And then slide it inside your wallet very neatly and with full respect. So here you go. So the money is in my wallet with full respect. So fifth is covered. Now we are going to the sixth, awareness. Awareness is very important because again आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, आपको हाइक मिल रहा है, आपको फ्री वाउचर्स मिल रहे हैं, आपका पैसा कोई आके दे रहा है, कोई आपके घर में बड़े बुजुर्ग आए, अपने पाँव छुए, उन्होंने पैसे दे दिए, तो आपको ये रियलाइज़ नहीं होगा कि आपको पैसे आ रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने रिलेशनशिप आपका मनी के साथ में इम्प्रोवाइज किया है, आपने उसको बिल्ड किया है, आप उसको सस्टेन करना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज वॉट आर स्मॉल बेसिक important principles of our life which we need to build. So you have to be in awareness to keep a track of everything that is coming. So I would recommend maintaining a diary. Then you'll realize how much money are you attracting. Also a very simple exercise for today, I would recommend take any currencies from across the globe, whatever you have available. Not necessary you can take Indian, you can say European, you can say pound, dollars, anything that you have. And just keep on counting. Count. You can either chant count or shrim, but while breathing out. At the same time, you can just think, कि मैं इतने पैसे का करूँगा क्या? मैं ये खरीद लूँगा या मैं वो खरीद लूँगी. आज मुझे सैलून का खर्चा हो जाएगा पूरा. कल मैंने वो जो अंगूठी देखी थी वो मेरी आ जाएगी. Wow, I have got so much of money. Wow. Just keep on doing it for some time. I would say at least 11 minutes. Shreem. Big smile on your face because you have so much of money. You can buy so many things. So just chant money, come to me, money, I love you. Shreem. Count is a switch word, so you can take that into consideration as well. Count. Whatever you resonate with, whatever you are comfortable with, please continue to do so, and do let me know in comments if you like the video, if you have any questions related to it, and how more effectively you can build. I have a second video coming up in relation to this, which will help you attract more money. So this was the basic one. So do tune in and keep in touch to receive my videos immediately. Thank you so much. Have a good day.